Fall is the perfect time to bring the beauty of the season into your home with stunning flower arrangements. While fresh flowers offer natural beauty and fragrance, fall flowers are a fantastic choice for their longevity and picture-perfect look throughout the season. Let's explore how to create long-lasting fall decor that will brighten both your indoor and outdoor spaces. Start with an elegant white and orange fall flower arrangement in a blue vase, surrounded by orange pumpkins. This stylish combo adds a warm touch to your living space. For a unique twist, use a white pumpkin filled with fall blooms, berries, greenery, and gourds to bring the season indoors. A striking arrangement with deep purple blooms, greenery, cabbage, and grasses inside a white pumpkin is both bold and elegant. Get rustic with a bucket filled with pink and green fall blooms, branches with leaves, and heirloom pumpkins for a country-inspired display. A stylish fall wreath of greenery, fall pumpkins, and bright blooms makes a beautiful statement on your front door. Create a cozy atmosphere with a basket full of blush, white, and burgundy fall blooms for a rustic yet chic fall touch. Add warmth with a rustic fall arrangement of rust and white fall blooms, berries, and grasses for a cozy vibe. A farmhouse-style centerpiece with fall blooms, husks, veggies, and foliage is the perfect addition to your fall dining table. Embrace a boho-inspired fall centerpiece with white blooms, feathers, and fall leaves arranged in a bucket for a chic look. Brighten up your space with a basket full of foliage, berries, and bright orange fall blooms for a colorful fall display. Combine leaves, branches, and a large veggie for a colorful fall arrangement that adds a fresh, vibrant touch. For a rustic feel, use a metal stand with gourds, pumpkins, greenery, and fall blooms to create a standout autumn decoration. A colorful fall wreath of fall greenery and bright blooms will make your outdoor space look inviting. Combine white, pink, and rust blooms with greenery and fall pumpkins for a chic and bright fall arrangement. A monochromatic floral centerpiece in shades of pink, burgundy, and white brings an elegant touch to any fall decor. Fall stems arranged in a jug add a cozy fall vibe to your coffee table and can be reused throughout the season. Go bold with a fall flower arrangement featuring eucalyptus, burgundy, and yellow blooms for a sophisticated look. A bucket with pink hydrangeas and leaves, paired with a matching pink pumpkin, creates a stylish and rustic display. Brighten up any space with a vintage jug filled with red and burgundy blooms and greenery for a bold fall statement. Mix real and fall flowers with greenery for a stunning fall tablescape that adds depth and texture. A fun fall centerpiece with orange leaves, red blooms, and berries creates a cheerful seasonal display. Add color with a bold fall centerpiece of yellow, orange, rust, and burgundy blooms, mixed with fall apples and pears. Try a rustic arrangement with burgundy fall blooms, dried herbs, and greenery in a vase for a natural autumnal touch. For a creative twist, add yarn-wrapped pumpkins to your fall decor, paired with red foliage, berries, and chestnuts. Finish with a fun fall flower arrangement in neutral, blush, and red tones with greenery for a refined, elegant look. With these fall flower arrangement ideas, you're sure to find the perfect way to bring the beauty of the season into your home. Whether you love rustic, elegant, or colorful designs, these ideas will add a festive touch to your indoor and outdoor spaces. Happy decorating and enjoy the warmth of autumn!